Little sisters are a big challenge. Let's get out of here, Lily. We'll hide in the kitchen. But the little brats will sneak anywhere. Unless you build a safe hiding place. I know what to do, Jane. We'll build another wall in the room. And no one will find us. Great idea, Lily. Let's do it. And the wall is already in place. There was one room, and now there are two. I think we forgot something, Lily. Grab the tree, and I'll take this. Great! The fake wall should be identical to the real one. Now let's make the entrance. Come on, Lily. You can do it. Jane, I'm on my way. The coast is clear. The plan worked. And the secret room closes. No kid can get in here. Just shh. Don't make any noise. It worked, Lily. The kids didn't notice anything. Finally. Peace and quiet. Jane, look. What if we built a bed here? Then we'd have a real secret bedroom. The building materials are here. We can start with the frame. Lily has a whole bunch of screws. And Jane will share the screwdriver. Let's work together. Nice teamwork. Let's put the boards together to make a frame. And reinforce it. It's almost like a construction set. Time to finish the second floor. We'll use plywood to make our sleeping space. Come on, Lily. Lift it up. Done. And we'll have a comfortable bed on the first floor. The mattress will provide softness and comfort. The bunk bed is ready. Now we can decorate. But first, let's divide the space. As you wish, Lily. Now let's use all of our imagination. There don't seem to be enough shelves. Easy. Let's hammer a couple of nails. Get creative. Jane, look out! I'm working here! And there are no gloomy colors on the second floor. Pink and blue are Jane's favorite colors. Here come our cloud shelves. The sky is now within reach. All that's left is to arrange the flowers. Oh, wow! So beautiful! And it's night on the first floor. More metal! Chains will be the main decoration. It looks spooky, just the way Lily likes it. And let Jane keep these pretty flowers. Thank you, Lily. This could make a stylish planter. And this is where Lily put her favorite things. This design is very bold. It's easy to make a planter. Let's tie a pot of flowers with a rope and staple it to the frame. Airy and bright. And Lily has another idea for her decorations. A net picture. Attaching a wire mesh to a metal frame and hang it on the wall. We got a stylish organizer for jewelry and favorite photos. Why is Jane so cheerful? She'd look great with a mustache and horns, right? It's a good thing I always have a marker with me. This is all for you, Jane! How about making some stylish hair clips? No! I got a better idea! Let's hang bugs and spiders and decorate this boring ceiling! We got a whole flock of flying insects! Try to catch it! And Jane won't have any scary creatures. It's time to throw our housewarming party! Hey, what's going on? Looks like Lily's party already started! Lily, I'm here! Wanna dance? Oh, my goodness! It's so high up here! It's not safe! We have to think of something! I'm coming, Lily! Oops! The rope idea was a bust! Jane, this is my party! Go back to your floor! Lily can be so mean. But it's not so easy to get up to the second tier. That's where that shelving unit comes in handy. It made a sturdy ladder.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Lily! Have fun! Oh no! She even has a pink ladder! Mmm, yummy! but it's kind of boring to eat alone. Lily likes cakes too. Let's give her some food in the homemade elevator. Lily, are you home? How about a snack?
What?
Well, what else do you want? That looks delicious. We should give her a little present too. Buddy, go to your new home. I wonder what Lily sent me. Ah! Get away from me, you monster! But friendship always wins. Singing songs together is such a bonding experience. But Lily can't sit still. Want to play a game? There's a reason there are so many toys. Jane, catch up. It's very soft. Coming, Lily. That's a good idea. The secret room now has a play area. But the face could use some makeup. Let's begin right away. And we don't need a mirror. A true pro knows how to handle cosmetics. Let's see how it turned out. Are you sure it's me? The camera doesn't lie. Yikes! This time the skills have failed. We need a mirror. Let's see what we can do. We will need a hoop and a piece of burlap. Draw a heart on the fabric, but it can be any pattern. There is no limit to imagination. Take a carpet needle and brightly colored yarn. Pushing the yarn through the fabric, fill the outline of the pattern with embroidery. And then cut out the hearts carefully. We will need 6 soft pieces. Now we can decorate our mirror. Glue the hearts directly to the base. And for convenience, let's place the mirror on a stand. This mirror will look amazing in your room. You can do your makeup now. And Lily has no time for beauty. She's watching a movie. And it seems very interesting. She's so mean. She didn't even invite me to the movie. I can't see anything from the 2nd floor. Lily, I want to watch the movie too. Jane, get out of the way. This is my laptop. Is that what friends do? But Jane won't give up. Why have binoculars when you have a mirror and a tripod? Now the view is great. Feels like I'm in the front row of a movie theater.
Yay!
A secret hideaway is great, except it's a little boring. We could stop by Jane's place first, and then visit Lily's room. It's not much fun. It gets boring quickly. Jane, I have an idea. Let's have a marksmanship contest. That would be interesting. The mini baskets are ready. Catch it, Lily. Done, Jane. You go first. Jane begins her round, and it's a direct hit.
Yay!
Nice shot. Let's keep playing. And let's make it harder. Try to hit it now, Jane. You can't run away from me, Lily. And now we can take a break and tell each other a couple of scary stories. It was a dark and stormy night. Oh, there's a secret door. Let's go find them. In a dark, dark town. Boo! Caught red-handed. Our hiding place isn't a secret anymore.